Kia ora e hoa mā, ka Kotisi toko ingoa.
Ko Daria.
Me ko Wendy toko ingoa.
And this is how we STEM. We help create world-class DJ and music production equipment through the power of engineering and technology.
Right here in Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland.
And this is where the magic happens.
Serato is among the best of the best in the DJ and music production game.
It was set up to create next-level tools that open up a world of possibilities to music lovers across the globe.
And since launching our first product back in 1999, our users have grown into a community of millions.
We've got DJs, producers, engineers, and musicians.
Some of the biggest names in music.
And a huge amount of super talented people making music at home.
Our Serato community covers 190 countries.
That's almost all the countries in the world.
We're all software engineers, but we each work on really different and exciting things.
I work in a team writing software that allows DJ equipment to connect to your laptop so you can play music and do tricks like scratching and mixing.
I work in a team that works on new DJ hardware like mixers, controllers and turntables.
And I work on our music production software, Studio. My team gets to work on adding cool new features.
I love my job because it combines things I'm passionate about: software, DJing and music. I got into DJing back in the early 1990s when it first became a thing in Aotearoa. So my job doesn't feel like work at all, I'm just having fun.
It's really rewarding for me seeing our applications come to life, and that I get to learn more about creating music with each feature my team works on.
It's also borderline surreal when you see talented, innovative and sometimes famous music artists using the tools that we helped create.
We work with all sorts of people here at Serato from all sorts of backgrounds.
But we all have one thing in common, a passion about something epic.
Whether that's music, technology or something totally different, our kaimahi create a powerfully motivating and enriching work environment.
Recently, our team finished working on a DJ controller that has now become the most connected device in Serato DJ. It's a pretty big deal.
I love working on our newest feature called Stems. It lets you split songs into different parts, so you can do things like mixing the vocals of one song with the instrumental of another.
Mine would have to be the Rev 7. It's a controller that controls music. It's kind of hard to describe, so I'll just demonstrate.
When I was at school, I found my STEAM subjects really fun because I liked the feeling of getting to the bottom of something. And those subjects were all about problem solving, so they suited me well.
When I was choosing subjects in Year 11, I heard from some friends there was an option called Computer Studies. And since I was always on my computer, I thought it would be interesting to learn more about it.
The term STEM didn't exist when I was in school, but I liked playing video games and I knew that software developers helped make them, so obviously they kept me interested.
When we first learnt about programming in school, I was hooked. We were taught a coding language called Python, which is pretty straightforward for someone just starting out, so I really enjoyed it. From there, I continued taking computer studies and eventually studied software engineering at university.
I kind of fell into technology and engineering, and the rest is history.
The job of a software engineer is full of opportunities for growth, depending on your interests and strengths. And the choice of industries for you to work at is unmatched by any other job. So we're stoked to have ended up here. The best things you learn will come from other people, so it's important to listen and have good communication skills.
Teamwork and logical thinking are the key. A lot of the problems we solve are large and exciting, and the best way to find a solution is to plan it in small steps.
Make sure you stay curious and continue learning. There are always new things to discover, which makes STEM that much more enjoyable.
And if you have compassion, love and respect for yourself, above all else, it will help you to nurture all your other abilities.
Perseverance is really important. When you're feeling stumped, think about your goals and what you want to achieve, and then use that as motivation to keep trying. You never know how close you could be to striking gold.
Explore, try new things and have fun doing it. It's okay to not know who you are or what you want to do. This is a lifelong journey.
When thinking about your future career, find something you're passionate about. because you're more likely to stick with it. And it's easier to find something you're passionate about in STEM.
Take it from us.